In various professional and educational settings, accurately transcribing spoken words into written text is crucial. Traditional methods of transcription are time-consuming and often prone to errors, making it difficult to capture the nuances of conversations, meetings, or lectures. Possible solutions include hiring a professional transcriber for accuracy, using basic speech-to-text software that may struggle with accents and jargon, or recording and manually transcribing later, which is error-prone and time-consuming. Introducing a revolutionary transcription solution that makes converting speech to text effortless and accurate. This tool uses advanced AI to provide real-time transcriptions and easy access to written records, saving you both time and money by eliminating the need for manual transcription. This is Otter AI. Let's delve into the realm of Otter AI's services and discover how it can be utilized to resolve the common issues of time-consuming and costly manual transcription. Through its innovative features, Otter AI transforms the transcription process, enhancing efficiency and productivity for professionals across various fields. Introduction to Otter AI. Otter AI is a specialized artificial intelligence platform designed to transcribe spoken words into written text with remarkable accuracy. Developed by Otter AI, this advanced tool is engineered to generate real-time transcriptions, providing users with immediate access to written records of verbal communications. Otter AI utilizes sophisticated algorithms to distinguish between different speakers, accurately capture various accents, and handle complex terminologies, making it a versatile solution for diverse transcription needs. Catering to a wide range of users, Otter AI is invaluable for professionals who need to document meetings, ensuring that no detail is missed during important discussions. It is equally beneficial for students who record lectures for later review, allowing them to focus on understanding the material rather than note-taking. Additionally, Otter AI supports collaborative features, enabling users to share, edit, and highlight transcriptions, thereby enhancing productivity and efficiency in both educational and professional environments. By automating the transcription process, Otter AI saves time and reduces the potential for human error, making it an essential tool for anyone requiring precise and reliable text from spoken words. Otter AI boasts several powerful features that make it a standout tool for transcription. 1. Real-time transcription. Otter provides live transcriptions, allowing users to see text as words are being spoken. This feature is invaluable during meetings or lectures, enabling participants to follow along in real time and ensuring that no critical points are missed. 2. Speaker identification. The platform excels at distinguishing between different speakers in a conversation, labeling each speaker's transcribed speech accordingly. This capability is especially useful in multi-participant meetings, interviews, or panel discussions, making it easy to track who said what. 3. Editable transcripts. After recording, users can edit transcripts to correct any errors and refine the text. This flexibility ensures that the final document is accurate and polished, catering to the need for precision in professional and academic settings. 4. Integration with other tools. Otter integrates seamlessly with popular video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. This direct transcription capability streamlines the process of documenting meetings and calls, saving time and effort. 5. Collaborative tools. Otter promotes teamwork by allowing shared access to transcripts. Colleagues can highlight, comment on sections of text, and work together more effectively. Additionally, the synchronous audio playback feature enables users to listen to the original audio while reading the transcription, helping to clarify any ambiguities and ensuring a thorough understanding of the content. These collaborative features enhance productivity and ensure that everyone stays on the same page. Otter AI step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Sign up. Choose a sign-up method. You can sign up using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or email account. For email sign-up, enter your personal details such as name and email address. Complete the email verification by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Login. After verification, log in using your email address and password. Step 2. Explore the dashboard. Initial view. The dashboard may initially seem cluttered with various options and information. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Step 3. Navigate the interface. Left menu. Home. Click here to return to the main page. Past conversations. View and access your recorded conversations. Right panel. Sync calendar. Connect your calendar to manage your schedule. Upload files. Use this option to upload audio or video files for transcription. Start recording. Initiate new recordings directly from this panel. Step 4. Manage conversations. Click on any recorded conversation to open it for editing and adjustments. Use the search bar to quickly locate specific recordings or content. Step 5. Interface tips. The interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible even for those with minimal technical experience. Otter AI is a versatile tool that can be effectively utilized in various contexts, making it invaluable across several domains. Here are 5 best uses of Otter AI. 1. Business sector. Otter can document meetings and conference calls, producing transcriptions that serve as official records. These transcriptions assist in creating meeting minutes and allow absent participants to catch up on discussions. This functionality is particularly useful for remote teams relying on digital communication to stay connected and informed. 2. Education. For students and educators, Otter offers the ability to record lectures and discussions. Students can focus on the lecture without the pressure of taking notes, knowing they will have a comprehensive written record to review later. Educators can provide these transcriptions as study aids or for students requiring accommodations, enhancing accessibility and learning outcomes. 3. Journalism and research. Journalists and researchers can record interviews and quickly transcribe them for analysis or reporting. This capability saves time and ensures accuracy, making it easier to capture and analyze important details from conversations. 4. Legal professionals. In the legal field, Otter can be used to transcribe client meetings, witness statements, and other critical conversations. These transcriptions become part of the documentation process, aiding in case preparation and record keeping. 5. Content creation. Content creators can transcribe podcasts or videos, turning audio content into written form. This not only helps in creating articles or blog posts from spoken content, but also makes media more accessible by providing subtitles, thereby reaching a wider audience and enhancing engagement. Otter AI stands out in a crowded transcription market with several key advantages. 1. Seamless AI integration. Otter leverages advanced artificial intelligence to provide highly accurate real-time transcription, distinguishing it from other services. Its sophisticated algorithms ensure precise capture of spoken words even in complex scenarios. 2. User-friendly features. The platform offers intuitive features such as real-time transcription, speaker identification, and editable transcripts, making it accessible and easy to use for a wide range of users, from professionals to students. 3. Collaborative tools. Otter's focus on teamwork and shared access to transcripts fosters a cooperative environment. Users can highlight, comment, and edit transcripts collaboratively, enhancing productivity and ensuring everyone stays aligned. 4. Continuous improvement. Through machine learning, Otter AI continuously evolves, adapting to new languages, accents, and user demands. This dedication to improvement ensures that the service remains cutting-edge and effective. 5. Versatility. Otter AI caters to diverse needs across various domains, including business, education, journalism, legal, and content creation, making it a versatile tool that adds value in multiple contexts. Despite its advanced features, Otter AI has some limitations. 1. Accuracy with complex audio. The platform may struggle with transcribing complex audio, such as overlapping conversations, heavy accents, or background noise. This can lead to inaccuracies and require additional editing for clarity. 2. Sentence boundary issues. Otter AI occasionally has difficulty accurately identifying the end of sentences, resulting in fragmented or poorly punctuated transcriptions. This can affect the readability and coherence of the text. 3. Language limitations. Currently, Otter AI supports only English, UK, and USA, which limits its usability for non-English speakers or those needing transcriptions in other languages. Conclusion. Otter AI is more than just a transcription service. It's a comprehensive platform that bridges the gap between speech and text through sophisticated artificial intelligence. Catering to diverse needs in business, education, and beyond, Otter AI enhances productivity and ensures no spoken word is lost or misinterpreted. With real-time transcription, collaborative features, and continuous technological advancements, it offers a glimpse into the future of digital communication. Additionally, Otter AI supports multiple languages, making it invaluable for global teams. Its integration with various platforms ensures seamless use, making it a reliable and efficient solution for all transcription needs. An interesting fact about Otter AI is its ability to transcribe conversations in multiple languages, making it invaluable for global teams and multilingual environments. Whether for individual use or organizational purposes, Otter AI provides a reliable, efficient, and intelligent solution for converting speech into text. Its real-time transcription feature, combined with speaker recognition and searchable notes, makes it a crucial tool for meetings, lectures, and interviews. Furthermore, its integration with various platforms ensures seamless use across different devices and operating systems. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of Otter AI with me. But guess what? The adventure doesn't end here. Stay tuned for more captivating insights by subscribing to my channel. Let's keep the magic alive, explore endless possibilities, and make the impossible possible together.